You are so fantastic student. I am so happy for you. Thank you for watching. So, we quite understand the best practice of making the website clearly organized. And now, we understand the usage of navigation. So what we need now is to dive a little bit deeper into the question of start using Google Search Console. So this will be much more a practical approach because you can download this, you can read it, you can dive into it, but a lot students asking that I read too much, I explain too much, and just my SEO explanations are now 40 hours. It's a lot, and it's really a lot of explanations, and this is the introduction. So what we will do now, we will use the sitemap file. What is it? It's simply a file that is helping Google to understand better your website. So, and this will help you to know that Google can read your website and Google can fully understand your website, and Google can tell you also if there are no mistakes. So what we will be doing, you can just write into Google Search Console, you click on the link, and you can improve your website. I am spending more than 2 hours in Google Search Console and also a little bit in Google Analytics tab. So I will show just the most important. And the most important is the sitemap. As you can see, I can just copy paste. So you can see it means that Google can simply read everything very easily. So this is, I just copy paste sitemap index, okay? And this basically gives the information about the performance of the website, about using different keywords people are coming for. Then of course you have different great functions. I can see that I have no errors. If I have some issue, Google will tell me, I can correct the page. Everything is okay. And I can also double check the web is going well, everything's okay, and also I can double check the mobile usability, so everything is going very well. I might need to little bit, but it's everything, 0 affected pages. So let's dive back. I am using the complete Google Search Console 2 hours in this course. So I am just showing the most important. And if you would love to join it with your website, you will just need to copy paste a Google verification code. I will show everything during the course. But the most important I want to show people sometimes forget is to submit into Google Search Console the sitemap. So you can see digital marketing courses online, and this sitemap /index.xml I just submit. And basically I don't need to create it. I don't need to do anything. I don't need to do any kind of coding because we have been using this Yoast SEO, and this Yoast will do everything for us. The second Google is advising is having a useful 404 page. It means that if people come to your website to broken link or to simply a page that is empty, it's good to have there a menu. So that's again very easy to do, as I have shown you. So we have this menu, edit in appearance menus, and basically I use it for main navigation, and these are my most important links in the menu. So I will just click 404 useful pages and save it. And this is basically now correct setup of the 404 page, but you don't need to do more anymore. And then of course, quality content and services, right? Easy to read text, stay organized around the topic, create fresh, unique content, and create content for users, not for search engine. Especially you should avoid inserting many keywords. This stuffing the keywords is not good. So this is basically very easy. I am showing this again in the website creation. I am showing how to create the landing page. So we are spending a lot of time in the copywriting, in the blog creation, in the content creation, but just very shortly you just create content that is very easy to follow up, as you can see. And just if I edit the page, I can show you what does it mean when a content is created. But the complete content creation, we have many hours as well, the website. So you can see this is the first part, learn how to promote your business and expand your reach. And it's just clear organization of the headings, text, and separators. And then again, it's a second part, proven to deliver 1,000 times. Then we have the third part, most comprehensive digital marketing course, and become digital marketing expert. I'm not going to dive into deep because I am spending just 30 minutes in this, how to create landing page in the course and how to create and use the copy. So this is just the example. And then this is quite important. If you create the links, as I was showing to you, write a better anchor text. This is always good to create correct descriptive text when you are creating the links. And this is again very easy. If we go to the pages, as I was showing you, the internal link, so we just go to my digital marketing courses, like the front page or home page. And as you can see, you can always edit the content. So what does it mean that you can always very easily edit any kind of content? You can see you can always create the anchor text, and or you can create read more, so it shall be very clear, this link. And especially what is very important, what Google is talking about, is the correct usage of the links that you can do also inside the content. Let's say I have the content, many of our courses students will attest the effectiveness, and I have the link. And you can see this link, if I edit it, it goes digital marketing courses, is going to the page digital marketing course. So basically the link the description of the link shall be very clear and shall be correct and shall be telling exactly the place you are linking the way it really is. It should not be misleading, it should not be lie, it should really be about the topic. So this link goes to digital marketing courses, and the landing page is digital marketing course. And this is basically what I wanted to show you. And formal links, they are easy to spot. Think how you do it. And then basically optimize your use of images. So that's again what I am showing to you, how to describe the images, file names, and our descriptions. So you should do it really that it's not spammy and it's very clear. So I will show it once more. So I will just head up to the media section, and what we are going to do is to understand, let's say this is the messenger ads. So as you can see, the file name is messenger, so it's messenger ads. This is Instagram logo, so the file name is Instagram. And this is Facebook logo, and the file name is Facebook, or it shall be Facebook ads. And it's Facebook ads video training, video courses online. So it's not really perfect, but it's okay. And you can see, for example, this is my logo, so I should also describe it. And you can see that this is the description, digital marketing course online. And the file name is digital marketing course online logo, and the size of the logo. So this is like the correct media description. Now, as I was showing you, this is not a perfect but SEO desk. It's not perfect, but the description is correct. Digital marketing courses online. So this is basically what you need to describe correctly the file name, and then you describe correctly the text of the picture itself. This is really important for Google. Then maybe this all is connected to SEO Yoast. So because you get the robots TXT directly from SEO Yoast automatically, as well as the organization of H1, H2 you get in the Avada template. So I will just tell that this you have because you follow up the website creation. I think right now we do not need basically to focus on no-follow links so much, because we spend a lot of time in that explanation. But you shall use no-follow if there is not really good outbound link. So I will just now go quite quick, because what I believe is very, very important is this mobile first index. And so what does it mean? Like for you, luckily it doesn't mean anything. Why? The point is, as I was showing you, I am learning you how to use the WordPress. I am showing you how to use the power of Avada, how to use all the powers you can have, So basically, this website is fully responsive. So basically, you can have fully responsive website without any kind of coding. So you can see it's just mobile ready, and I need to do anything. So it's everything ready for mobiles. and I don't need to do any coding. So if you just follow up the website creation I am showing you, you are ready for mobile first, and then you click the mobile usability and you will have all perfect green, everything okay. So you don't need to really worry about it so much, or you don't need to worry about it. And the same, this is again that the page is clearly seen on mobile, and this is what I was just showing you, that this page can be very easily shown on the mobile, including the menu. So everything is okay. Then basically all this mobile first, Google bot, Google mobile, mobile user, this all is simply sorted out from itself. You don't need to worry about it. And the last point, we spend a lot of time about how to proceed wide hat SEO promotion, how to create correct content, how to outreach people, how to personally send emails to people to give you a link, how to build content for Wikipedia and share your link in Wikipedia, how to create content, how to promote content, how to create a press release, how to proceed social media optimization. And basically this all we will spend another nearly 40 hours. But what I wanted to do is to have some short hands-on practical introduction. If you have never ever done any SEO, I would suggest to download this. I would suggest to read it. Also, I have prepared for you the complete guidelines for SEO from Google for you. But basically, this was the introduction to give you something practical, something that you can immediately apply. But don't worry, now we will dive into many topics like wide hat SEO, mobile SEO, visual search, and of course e-commerce SEO and content creation, blog creation, copywriting, keywords research, YouTube videos optimization. So we will dive into so many topics, so deep, and you will get many explanations. And this was just very short introduction to give you fast what can be useful for you. So you're a fantastic student. I wish you great success. Thank you for watching, and I am so happy for you.